months ang'wen.
Senta mabiro konyo e chiwo sir ne jo Kenya madhi manyo tije e pinje maoko kod mago maduogo e pachoka kowuok tiyo e pinje maoko oyaw ayanga e boma ma Eldoret e kaunti ma Uasin Gishu. Kaluwore kod Director mar National Employment Authority Edith Okoki, chenro michiwo e Senta no biro konyo e neno ni jo Kenya oyudo tije mabeyo kendo ong'eyo kit tije magidhi timo e pinje maoko. Senta ma Eldoret koro en Senta mar 6 mar Kenya Labour Migration Resource Center KLMRC, ka centers mamoko nitiere e boma ma Nairobi, Thika, Machakos, Kisumu kod Mombasa.
Not because they did not have information, but simply because I want to believe that they believe that maybe government was not giving them enough information. And that's why we are here to give you information, so that you now go with those agencies that are recognized. Kindly visit any of our offices. You can also call our toll-free line so that we can give you information on the right agency to use.
Access to information is critical for the protection of migrant workers, and the ILO has been working on migration since its inception in 1919 on the protection of migrant workers. And the centers will be one of the ways to support the migrants to access information, because if the migrants do have the information, they wouldn't put themselves at risk in the hands of traffickers.
This is an eye-opener from NEA and the government at large, that they're giving opportunity to the members of the public to know those approved agencies, approved traveling agencies, also employment agencies for ethical recruitment in this region.
Jatendini mar Jowaindi Achra Shri Shwamiji Maharaj ochopo e kaunti ma Mombasa kuma ochano timo limbe mare mar ndalo 5 e thuolo ni mar nyasi